Yo, what's up, Luxury Squad? Welcome back to Luxury Drive USA, where we bring you the most insane rides on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into the king of luxury vans, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This isn't just a van, folks. This is a rolling palace, a mobile office, a party limo on steroids. Whether you're hauling VIPs, building the ultimate road trip beast, or turning it into a full-blown luxury conversion, the Sprinter dominates. We've got 40 minutes of pure fire coming your way. Exterior walkthrough, insane interior details, heart-pounding drive, specs, luxury upgrades, and my final verdict. If you're dreaming of that next-level luxury hauler, smash that like button right now, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let's roll. First off, look at this beast. The 2025 Sprinter is massive but sleek. Up to 19.5 feet long, almost 9 feet tall with a high roof option. That iconic Mercedes grille screams premium from a mile away. LED headlights, standard on higher trims, bright as hell and super sharp. You've got options, 144-inch or 170-inch wheelbase, standard or high roof. Cargo version for max space, crew for your team, passenger for up to 15 people in comfort. And check this out, optional all-wheel drive for conquering any road, rain, snow, whatever. Ground clearance is solid, and it handles like a much smaller vehicle. This thing turns heads everywhere. It's not just a van, it's a statement. Pro tip. In the USA, tons of owners send these to upfitters for custom paint, wheels, and body kits. Imagine this in matte black with 22-inch rims. Pure fire. Alright, step inside with me. This is where the Sprinter shines. Up front, it's pure Mercedes luxury. You've got the MBUX infotainment system, 7-inch standard, up to 10.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. Voice control with Hey Mercedes, it actually works great. Driver's seat is heated, super comfy for long hauls. Multifunction steering wheel, digital cluster. Feels like a high-end SUV. Now, the magic. Passenger version seats up to 15 with reclining seats. Tons of legroom. AC vents everywhere. Cruising gives you seating plus cargo behind. Cargo. Up to 533 cubic feet. Forklift-friendly doors. But here's the real luxury talk. In the USA, the Sprinter is the base for insane conversions. Companies like Midwest Automotive Designs, Ultimate Toys, Becker, they turn this into private jets on wheels. We're talking captain's chairs that recline and massage, massive TVs, wet bars, mood lighting, premium leather everywhere, even bathrooms and kitchens for camper builds. I've seen conversions hitting $200,000 plus, Wi-Fi, surround sound, partition walls for privacy. This is executive shuttle goals, family road trip heaven, or hashtag VanLife on steroids. Comfort? Ride quality is smooth, quiet diesel engine. It's refined, not truck-like. Show stock interior b-roll mixed with stock images/clips of luxury conversions, e.g., plush seats, wood trim, TVs. Spend time here, demo seats folding, storage, headroom. Time to drive this monster. Under the hood, 2.0 L turbo diesel. High output version pumps out 211 horsepower and a massive 332 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 9-speed auto, shifts like butter. 0 to 60? Around 10 seconds loaded, but that low-end torque? Insane pull from a stop, perfect for merging or towing up to 7,500 pounds. AWD system is smart, splits torque automatically. Handles curves surprisingly well for its size, no body roll drama. Brakes are strong, visibility is great with optional cameras. On the highway? Quiet. Composed, cruise control, adaptive options available. Fuel economy? Mid-teens, but diesel means long range. This thing eats miles. Whether empty or loaded with passengers and gear, it feels planted and premium. Tech highlights. Active brake assist, blind spot, optional 360 camera, wireless charging. Mercedes Me Connect for remote start and tracking. Pricing? Starts around $50,000 for basic cargo, up to $70,000 plus for loaded passenger or AWD. Conversions at big bucks, but worth it for luxury. Who's this for? Business owners needing a shuttle, families wanting ultimate road trips, adventurers building campers, or CEOs craving private transport. In the USA, the Sprinter is everywhere, from Hollywood celebs to delivery fleets turned luxury. My verdict? September 5th, 10. The 2025 Sprinter is the undisputed luxury van champ. If you want space, comfort, and that three-pointed star prestige, this is it. That's our full deep dive on the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter. What do you think? Would you rock one stock or go full luxury conversion? Drop your comments below. Tell me your dream build. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more luxury drives across the USA, and share this with your crew. Next up, something even crazier. Stay tuned. Peace out, drive safe, and live luxury.